Good morning students. Welcome to English class. Beta, today we will start a new lesson, that is a poem, The Three Rules, page number 78. So beta, this is for your reading practice. So all of you must read the poem 2 or 3 times loudly. Okay? So first I will read it. The Three Rules. What is the iron rule? The rule of savage man. If evil is done unto you, evil do thou again. This is the iron rule. What is the silver rule? The rule of worldly man. If good your neighbor does to you, do good to him again. This is the silver rule. What is the golden rule? The rule of righteous man. If evil is done unto you, return the good again. This is the golden rule. Now beta, what is given in the first stanza? What is the iron rule? The rule of savage man. Savage means cruel beta. Uncivilized or cruel. If evil means bad. If evil is done unto you, evil do thou again. Thou means you again. This is the iron rule. So beta, what is given in the first stanza? The iron rule is that if someone has done something bad or wrong to you, you also react in the same way and harm that person. Now let us understand this stanza with an example. So beta, there are 2 boys. One boy named is Raj and second boy named is Rahul. Raj and Rahul are fighting. Rahul got injured badly. After some day, Rahul beaten the first person very badly. Now he got insulted. So this is the first rule of the iron rule. Okay beta? Iron rule is what? Iron rule is that if someone has done something bad or wrong to you, you also react in the same way and harm that person. Okay? Now you understand? Now we will do the stanza second. Second rule. What is the silver rule? The rule of worldly man. If good your neighbor does to you, do good to him again. This is the silver rule. Worldly means beta practical. Okay. So in the second rule, if anybody help you in your difficulty, you will do the same. For example, do you remember the lion and mouse story? There, firstly the lion left the mouse without killing. Then the mouse saved the lion's life from the hunter. So second rule is applying here. Okay. Now we will do the third rule. Now the third rule. Stanza third. What is the golden rule? The rule of righteous man. If evil is done unto you, return the good again. This is the golden rule. Righteous means beta ethical person, man with moral values. So beta, this is the rule of the righteous man, मतलब ethical man with values, moral values. तो ये रूल जो है बेटा किसके लिए हैं? जो मोरल वैल्यूज़ को जानता है उनके लिए हैं. ठीक है. इफ़ समवन हैज़ डन एनीथिंग बैड टू यू बट यू विल नॉट रिएक्ट द सेम वे, मीन्स you will do something good to him. Okay beta? For example, if anybody had stolen your pencil in school, you know the person, and the next day you brought a new pencil and gifted to him. So he will become ashamed of his doing. So this way you can change his thinking skill so that that means that is the rule of the righteous man. Righteous man's rule is that if someone has done anything bad to you, but you will not react the same way, means you will do something good to him. Okay, beta? Now understand all the three rules, beta? And now you have to write the word meanings on your notebook. Now we will do the hard words of this lesson. So let's start. Now hard words, the three rules. First one is iron. I-R-O-N. Iron. Beta R is silent hai. So I-R-O-N. Iron. Second one is evil. E-V-I-L. Evil. Now third one is savage. S-A-V-A-G-E. Savage. Fourth one is worldly. W-O-R-L-D-L-Y. Worldly. W-O-R-L-D-L-Y. Worldly. Fifth one is neighbor. N-E-I-G-H-B-O-U-R. Neighbor. Neighbor. Now please repeat after me. Sixth one is silver. S-I-L-V-E-R. Silver. Seventh one is golden. G-O-L-D-E-N. Golden. Now eighth one is righteous. R-I-G-H-T-E-O-U-S. Righteous. Now ninth is return. Ninth word is return. R-E-T-U-R-N. Return. Tenth is unto. U-N-T-O. Unto. So beta, this is the difficult word you have to write on your notebook. Okay, and the word meaning. I will do that. So beta, that is meaning, word meaning. You have to write on your notebook. First one is savage. S-A-V-A-G-E. Savage. That means uncivilized or cruel. Uncivilized or cruel. Second one is evil. E-V-I-L. Evil. That means bad. Third one is unto. U-N-T-O. That means to. Fourth one is thou. That means T-H-O-U. And that means you. Okay. Now fifth one is worldly. W-O-R-L-D-L-Y. Worldly. Worldly means practical. Okay. And the last word is righteous. Sixth one. That means R-I-G-H-T-E-O-U-S. Righteous. That means ethical person or man with moral values. Okay beta? So you have to write difficult words and word meaning on your notebook and learn it. Okay beta? Thank you.